The weather's about to change in Cleveland. This season, give your Porsche the care it deserves with a seasonal tire change at Porsche Beachwood. Our new climate-controlled warehouse ensures your tires are protected year-round, safe from the elements, and stored in perfect conditions. Most importantly, out of your way. With our state-of-the-art tracking system, every set of tires receives its own QR code, organized, secure, and ready the moment you need them. Best of all, storing your tires with us is both simple and affordable. Porsche Beachwood, where precision meets convenience every season.